In this video, we'll reveal exactly how much YouTube paid our small channel for 100,000 views. Cha-ching! You might have seen other videos on YouTube where people share how much they make based on how many subscribers they have, but now we're going to show you how much we make from how many views we got instead, because YouTube pays you by views and not by subscribers. Yes, if you have more subscribers, you'll tend to have more views because people get notified when you post a video, but ultimately how much you make on YouTube is on a per video basis, and more specifically how many views you got for that video. So let me show you how much we made with our most popular video that had over 100,000 views. So you can see here, this is our most popular video. And as of 23rd of May 2021, which is about 2 months ago, we had 100,000 views. And from this video, we made $3,004.09. And at this time, we had about 16.5 thousand subscribers. So YouTube can be a great way to start making money online in 2021. And starting a YouTube channel has been a top choice for most people who want to earn extra income, and we'll talk about why in just a bit. Now, just because our video here made $3,000 from 100,000 views doesn't mean every other video with 100,000 views will make the same amount. So if you want to know what determines how much YouTube pays you so you can start making money on YouTube, or if you're just curious about how your favorite YouTube channels make money, then stick around because this is what we'll discuss next. So most people don't talk about how much money they make, especially not on YouTube, but this is a personal finance channel, so let's get personal. This video is meant to give you full transparency about our YouTube channel and also to give you some ideas if you want to start your own YouTube channel. So YouTube is a great way to make money because you don't need a lot of things to start. You can start with just a smartphone, and that's what we did, or you can even start with just a laptop and record your screen, and you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You don't need a lot of money or equipment to start. It's nice to have, but it's not necessary. The second reason is that you can follow your own schedule. Most YouTube channels follow a certain schedule where they post twice or once a week, but this is completely up to you. You can post videos once a month and still have a successful channel. The third reason is that you can talk about or share your passions or interests with other people while helping them by educating and entertaining them at the same time. The fourth reason is that you're creating assets every time you upload. The videos you record and upload online can make you money for a long time, even if you decide not to put out new videos anymore. The fifth reason is that YouTube is modern day TV. A lot of people these days don't subscribe to cable TV or Astro, and many of them spend more time on YouTube than ever before. So this is definitely a growing industry. So those are 5 reasons why you might want to consider starting a YouTube channel in 2021. You can find tons of other benefits of starting your own channel. These are the 5 that I just picked. Okay, now so let's talk about our journey on YouTube in terms of making money. So you can see on this chart here, our first video published was on the 26th of January 2020. And up till then, we did not make a single cent from all these videos until, if I'm not mistaken, our 36th video posted. Yes, our 36th video posted 9 months after we started our YouTube channel. And after 36 videos and 9 months, we only made $1.30. But at this time, we were already making money from our YouTube channel through other ways and not YouTube ads, which I'll talk about in a bit. So in 2020, we made $866.30 for all these videos. We typically release a video every week, sometimes 2 videos a week. And in 2021, so far we made $5,269 in YouTube AdSense money, and that converts to around $839 every single month. So the amount we made in 2020 is now the amount we make every month in 2021. Since we started this channel, we've made $6,135.77 from YouTube ad revenue. None of this would be possible without you watching our videos and hitting that like button all the time. So we want to say thank you, and we'll keep making videos that you want to watch. So now let's talk about how YouTubers make money. The most common way to make money on YouTube is through YouTube ads or Google AdSense. This is what we've been talking about before, all the money we made from ads. And these ads are the ads that you see pop up before you start the video or during the video or after the video. Just like this ad to tell you to hit that like button and subscribe if you like this content. YouTube pays channels based on how many ads they can put on their video and what kind of ads they can put on the video. If your videos are catered to a specific audience, then YouTube can put more specific ads there, and in general, you will be making more money. And if your videos are about topics where advertisers would pay a lot for, then in general, you would also make more money. For example, if you have a gaming channel, gaming advertisers only pay up to a certain amount to spend on ads because the most a game can cost is, let's say, $60. But if you have a personal finance channel, then finance advertisers like banks, apps, and software pay a lot more money to acquire each customer. This is because their customers are a lot more valuable in that the customer spends a lot more money over a longer period of time. Just think about how many people stick to one bank in their life and never change banks. And so banks are willing to pay a lot more to acquire one customer because that customer is going to stick with them for a very long time and going to spend a lot of money with them. YouTube also takes a cut from whatever amount that advertisers pay to have their ads on your video. And you're also taxed 22% if you're not from the US or if you're in a country that doesn't have a tax treaty with the US. So YouTube ads is a nice way to make consistent income, but most of the time, it's not the primary source of revenue for most YouTube channels, and we'll talk about that next. Another way YouTube channels make money is through sponsorships. A sponsorship is when a brand pays a YouTube channel to talk about their product or service, like this sponsorship from Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform where you can learn new skills like graphic design, web development, freelancing, and entrepreneurship. It's great for anyone who wants to expand their knowledge or gain valuable skills that they can use in their personal or professional life. And it's suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Skillshare classes include a combination of video lessons and hands-on projects that can help you get the experience you need. You can take them whenever you like and learn new skills without getting distracted by ads, and you can focus on learning on your own schedule as most of their classes are under 60 minutes. They're always launching new, interesting classes for their members, and you can join Skillshare for less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. I recently took a Skillshare class called YouTube Success by Marquez Brownlee, and my biggest takeaway from that class is to create videos that I personally would want to watch on YouTube. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, then I highly recommend going to Skillshare because they have a lot of fundamentals that you can learn there. So how much YouTubers get paid for sponsorships really depend on several things, like who's watching the video, what kind of video it is, the company who's sponsoring, and also how the YouTubers negotiate with the company. Generally, sponsors can pay anywhere from $10 to $120 per 1,000 views. Now, this is where most YouTube channels make the bulk of their revenue. And this is through selling other stuff. One example is affiliate marketing, and this is the biggest moneymaker for us and also many other channels. Affiliate marketing is basically a channel promoting a product, but instead of getting paid to talk about it, the channel only gets paid if people sign up through their unique link, like if you sign up through our StashAway link down below. Or if you want to buy Malaysian stocks, then sign up with our Rakuten link down below as well. For us, we make anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 a month, depending on the month and the videos that we put out. There's no limit to how much you can earn with this method, but it's a good idea to always use and believe in the product that you promote because you don't want to lose the trust of your audience. Who knows, one day we might be Lamborghini Malaysia's official affiliate partner. So Lamborghini, if you're watching this, hit us up. Another way to sell other stuff is through e-commerce, selling merchandise, or private labeling. So this is like us selling maybe our t-shirt of TMF or selling mugs or things like that. For example, Graham Stephan, he just created his own coffee brand, and a lot of other YouTubers also eventually create their own brand. If we were to start a merch line or a private label, let us know what you would like it to be in the comments below. Other things you can sell, which is also very popular, are online courses, and you can teach people anything about the topics you talk about in your videos more in depth. If we were to start an online course, let us know what you would like to see in the comments below. You can group these online courses with many things like one-on-one consulting and private memberships. A lot of YouTube channels also have memberships on Patreon where they release exclusive content, so that is another way to make money. So that's how much we make from this YouTube channel and a few ways to make money from YouTube. The possibilities are endless with YouTube, and you're only limited to your imagination. If you want to see more videos about starting, growing, or managing a YouTube channel, let us know down in the comments below so that we can make more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content from us. I'll see you in the next one.